Hello friends, welcome back to Learn at Scholar. I am Geeta Khatri and you are watching Chapter 10 Practical Geometry. So, till now we have discussed how to draw parallel lines using compass and ruler and how to draw a few triangles again using compass and ruler. We have already discussed the first type of triangles with SSS criterion. That means side, side, side. If the three sides are given, we can draw the triangle. This we have learned in the chapter 7, congruence of triangles. Now we will discuss how to draw a triangle when the measurements of two sides and the angle between them are given. That means SAS criterion. First of all, we will write all the given measurements. Then we will draw a rough sketch. This is a procedure to solve these type of questions. In this way, we can have a knowledge how to proceed with the real figure. So, this is one example. The two sides are given. PQ is equal to 3 cm, QR is equal to 5.5 cm. The angle between the two sides is angle PQR, which is equal to 60 degree. So, we have to draw a triangle based upon the conditions or informations given in the question. First of all, we will draw a rough sketch to have an idea as how to draw the real figure. I have drawn the triangle where the base side is QR, which is equal to 5.5 centimeter, angle PQR, which is equal to 60 degree, and the side PQ, which is equal to 3 centimeter. When we draw the real figure, we will draw 5.5 centimeter first, which is equal to QR. Then we will draw an angle of 60 degree using protractor. P lies somewhere on this line. This is QX and this angle is equal to 60 degree. So to find P on QX, we will measure 3 centimeter from the ruler in the compass. That means we will take a radius of 3 centimeter like this. And then we will put the compass on Q and make an arc of 3 centimeter on QX. Now the point of intersection is, yes, P. Now we will join P and R to form the side PR. This is the required triangle PQR. Now draw another triangle where one side AB is 3 centimeter, another side BC is 5.5 centimeter and the angle ABC is 60 degree. Then cut the triangle, put the triangle on the previous triangle PQR and record your observation, share your observation in the comment section. Now, if the two sides and one angle are given, can you draw the triangle? Maybe yes or maybe no.
See, in SAS criteria, if the angle between the two sides is given, then you can draw the triangle, and here is an example to prove this fact. We will try to construct triangle ABC if one side AB is given, another side AC is given, and measurement of angle C is given as 30 degree. The side AC is equal to 5 centimeter. Draw angle C 30 degree. Now where is B? How can we find B? The length of BC is not given. So we cannot locate the point B uniquely. Therefore, the triangle ABC is not possible.
If two sides and the angle between them are given, then you can draw the triangle. If the measurement of the angle which lies between the two sides is not given and some other angle is given, you cannot draw the triangle. These measurements are not enough to draw the triangle. I am giving you two examples where the measurements of two sides and one angle are given. Try and tell me whether you are able to draw the triangle or not.
The first question is where the side AB is 3 cm, AC is 5 cm, angle B is 30 degree. The second is PQ is 4 cm, PR is 9 cm, and angle Q is 60 degree. Draw the triangle and share in the comment section whether the triangles are possible or not.
This is your exercise 10.3.
These are some conditions which are given in question number 1 of 10.3 exercise. We will draw a rough sketch where we are drawing DF is equal to 3 cm. As the triangle is right angled at D, so we will draw angle EDF is equal to 90 degree. Now we will name it as DF and E. Now when we draw the real figure, we will take 5 cm radius and put an arc to find E. Let me show you. First of all, we will take a ruler and draw a line of 3 cm, that is DF. Using protractor, we will draw an angle of 90 degree. It is angle EDF. Now take compass and with a radius of 5 cm and center D, we will make an arc of 5 cm. The point of intersection is E. DE is equal to 5 cm, DF is 3 cm, and angle EDF is equal to 90 degree. All the conditions are satisfied. So it is the required triangle EDF. Move to the second question. Construct an isosceles triangle in which the lengths of each of its equal sides is 6.5 centimeter and the angle between them is 110 degree. So length of equal sides, that means length of two sides each, is 6.5 centimeter and the angle between them is 110 degree. So we will draw a rough sketch first. First of all, we will draw a line of 6.5 centimeter and draw an angle of 110 degree. This line is AB, which is equal to 6.5 centimeter. In this rough sketch, the point C is above. Now we will extend the line as AC and AB both are equal because the angle lies between the two given sides. So we will extend it to make AC like this. And now we will join B and C to make the side BC. This is the required triangle. Now we will draw the real figure. First of all, we will draw 6.5 centimeter line AB. Using the protractor, we will draw an angle of 110 degree. Now measure 6.5 centimeter in compass and make an arc using A as center and 6.5 centimeter as radius on this line to find the point C. Extend the line to make AC. The point of intersection is the point C. Join BC. This is the required triangle ABC, which is an isosceles triangle where the lengths of two equal sides is 6.5 centimeter each. Third question. Construct triangle ABC with BC is equal to 7.5 centimeter, AC is equal to 5 centimeter and the measurement of angle C is equal to 60 degree. We will draw the rough sketch first. This is one line BC which is equal to 7.5 centimeter. At point C, the angle is 60 degree. We use protractor to draw the angle of 60 degree in the real figure. This is the rough sketch, so I am just writing 60 degree at C. And AC is equal to 5 centimeter. Now we will draw the real figure. We will use the ruler and draw one line of 7.5 centimeter. Use protractor to draw an angle of 60 degree. AC is equal to 5 centimeter. So we will now measure AC. It is the next step. We will take the radius of 5 centimeter and taking C as center, make an arc of 5 centimeter to find the point A. A lies on the line, we can say it as CX. On this line we will make an arc of 5 centimeter. Now A is a part of both the lines AB and AC. So the point of intersection here is point A. This is the point of intersection, which is A. We will extend the line and find the point. Now this is the required triangle ABC where the angle C is equal to 60 degree, BC is 7.5 centimeter and AC is equal to 5 centimeter. Easy. Students, practice a lot. Geometry is a part of mathematics and mathematics need practice. Geometry is fun, isn't it?
The links to exercises 10.4 and 10.5 are given in the description box. You can go down, click on the link and watch those videos. Stay tuned by subscribing the channel, hit the bell and do not forget to press all so that you receive notification whenever I upload the video. I have completed many chapters. Still, if there is any doubt, any query, you want me to explain anything, you can write in the comment section or you can connect with me on WhatsApp or you can call me on the given number. Otherwise, you can also write me a mail. The mail ID and all the contact details are given in the description box. Bye bye for now. We will meet with the next video.